Hey, Mike.
Hey, Anna.
How are you today?
I'm good. You know what we need, Anna?
Well,
We need like a fancy theme song for these videos.
that is correct.
I'm going to put you to the task
Okay.
of writing our theme song.
The lyrics or the music?
Yes.
Yes, both. Okay. All right.
But how are you?
I'm great. I'm great. I have a couple of questions for you about Portfolio for Jira, actually.
Go for it.
Awesome. So, as you know, I've been helping companies training and installing Portfolio for Jira for the last few years on server.
hmm
And I'm curious with migration to cloud, kind of how all those features translate. I know Portfolio for Jira, the add-on, doesn't exist anymore in cloud. And so I'm just wondering from like a feature parity and functionality, if all of that is still living in cloud and kind of what I can have my clients, expect with that transition.
Got it. Well, with Jira Cloud, there's really two different main ways of road mapping.
Okay.
We will call them basic road mapping, and we'll call it advanced road mapping.
Okay.
And as you put it, Portfolio for Jira has been kind of rebranded as advanced road mapping. And so let me ask you, before we kind of get into some more details, what are
Uh-huh.
some of your favorite, features of
Of
the
Portfolio?
tool so far? Yeah.
Um, well, I would say number one, which sounds like the simple thing, is the issue hierarchy. So just being able to see in one place, I'm a very visual person, sort of parent-child relationships all the way down that work breakdown structure. So whether you have, an initiative and then maybe another level and epics and tasks and subtasks, being able to see that whole breakdown in one place. So I'm assuming that's going to live on.
hmm
Okay, great.
Yep.
And then I would say, obviously, just the Gantt chart functionality. So basic road mapping, not having a separate, PMO tool where you're kind of translating everything over, but taking that real-time work that's done over multiple teams, multiple projects, being able to see that roadmap and Gantt chart in one place. Charting the progress. So whether that's like how many tasks are done for a certain epic, how many hours are done towards a certain estimation, being able to see that visually is huge. Dependencies is a big thing that my clients are always looking for. So what are the blockers? What are these issues being blocked by? That's another,
Yeah.
big one. Are all of those present in?
Well, the great news is that all of those are in the cloud features.
Okay.
And I think the biggest differentiation between advanced and basic is really, I guess it's in the name, for lack of a better word.
Okay.
But, basic is, you could think of it as an isolated team. It's a great roadmap for a single Jira project for
Okay.
maybe one team. And
Okay.
advanced roadmaps is much more with some of the stuff that you were describing, the team of teams, the interdependencies between teams,
Right.
maybe how progress on one team is actually impacting progress on another team. Some of that more complex view is much more in the advanced roadmap. And
Okay.
so what we've done is we have a pretty good approach at how we would recommend teams to go into either advanced or basic, or maybe even an add-on. There are even more opportunities out there in the marketplace.
Okay.
Uh, and
Is
so
advanced roadmaps, so that's the new, is that still an add-on or is that bundled into the like core product now?
it's a great question. It's actually bundled into the Jira Premium offering. So if you're looking
Okay.
for that, it's part of the premium
Premium.
offering now. So it's
Okay.
no longer an add-on that you can
Nice.
kind of get separately. It's baked right in as part of the offering. It is part of the premium package. But I think when you get to that team of teams approach and that team of teams
Okay.
visibility that we're talking about, I think there's some other features in that premium offering.
Okay. More that
Yeah, it's
high
built right in.
level.
You don't have to. It's not a separate cost. It's not
Awesome.
something else you have to manage.
Well,
It's
good. More training opportunities for me. I love it.
absolutely
Awesome. Thanks for your time, Mike. I really appreciate it.
no problem. Great question today. Talk to you
Thanks.
soon.
Talk to you soon. Bye.